In Australia, cement consumption is currently 6.6 million tonnes per annum. Following a $181 million capital expenditure program, Australian Cement has built its capacity to 1.5 million tonnes annually, 23% of the national market. This program has increased the capacity of the Goliath plant in Tasmania, improved sea freight links between states via a new cement ship, and provided upgraded storage facilities at Melbourne, Sydney and Newcastle, increasing efficiency and enhancing service to these important markets. Goliath is now one of Australia's most modern and productive plants. Its capacity has increased by 400,000 tonnes per annum. Energy consumption has been reduced by 15%, and the product uniformity and performance have been enhanced. Substantial limestone deposits lie adjacent to the plant. This new quarry has a life expectancy of 100 years. Limestone forms the main ingredient in cement making. To produce a uniform kiln feed, the Goliath expansion included 2 new crushed stone pre-blending beds of 36,000 tonnes, which are built up and then reclaimed by this MVT rail-mounted stacker. As it is fed to the stacker, the crushed material passes through a gamma metrics bulk material analyzer to guarantee production of a stockpile of blended limestone within the specifications required. Blended stone is fed to this new Lurcher raw mill, which grinds up to 250 tonnes per hour of crushed raw materials into finely ground kiln feed. A second gamma metrics analyzer ensures mixed constituents are controlled to fine tolerances, once again enhancing product quality and uniformity. Critical to the plant upgrade was to store sufficient raw meal for kiln feed rates of up to 220 tonnes per hour. This new 10,000 tonne E-bow concrete homogenising silo has added to the existing storage capacity and reduces material variation prior to calcination. The kiln tube remained unchanged at this upgrade. However, within the preheater towers, cyclones were modified, exhaust fans upgraded, and the latest KHD pre-calciner technology fitted. Now, up to 55% of the heat input is added in the preheaters by way of pulverised coal burning. A new Lurcher roller mill was installed to grind coal from the company's eastern Tasmanian coal mines. The kiln product is called clinker, which must be quickly cooled to achieve the correct mineralogical structure and to enable handling and storage. A new IKN clinker cooler, capable of cooling 3,000 tonnes of clinker per day, was installed in place of the existing cooler. It also assists in the energy efficiency of the process, as hot air from the cooler is used as secondary air for combustion of coal in the kiln, and provides tertiary air for combustion of the fuel in the pre-calciner. A new 125 tonne per hour KHD cement mill was installed. It incorporates sophisticated particle sizing equipment that gives enhanced product performance. A computerized control system allows process operators, supervisors and shift testers to manage the process. The installed systems utilize leading-edge technology to trend variables and develop plant operations history. Goliath provides 150,000 tonnes of cement per year to the Tasmanian market. Another 780,000 tonnes per year is sold in Victoria and New South Wales. These new 2,000-tonne silos store bulk cement to be transported to Devonport, where it is shipped interstate. These silos and the new Devonport silos cost $9.5 million. The MV Goliath is a new, purpose-built cement tanker. It features bow thrusters and a unique double rudder system. A very manoeuvrable vessel, it's able to dock without tugs. CSR Shipping is responsible for its operation and management. It is powered by a special low-revving, high-efficiency diesel engine of 6,400 kilowatts. The bridge has dual systems for each key component, with accurate radar and navigation aids. It has been designed for future operation by a single watchkeeper. 2 new 10,000-tonne silos have been added at Devonport. The 15,000-tonne cargo is pumped on board in just 16 hours. There are 4 separate holds for cement, and the cargo handling control room allows a single operator to monitor the discharge and loading equipment. The MV Goliath ships cement to new terminals established in Melbourne, Sydney and Newcastle. The capital expenditure on terminals was $48 million. At Port Melbourne, up to 60,000 tonnes of cement can be stored in specially reinforced conventional warehouse buildings. This terminal was acquired in 1992 for $5.3 million as a joint venture between Australian Cement Limited and Independent Cement and Lime Proprietary Limited. At Number 4 Shed, upgrading has been carried out to improve reclaim rates and reduce manpower. Rapid loading of trucks occurs around the clock following the dispatch facilities upgrade. The facilities at Sydney's Glebe Island have a storage capacity of 32,000 tonnes. Utilising 16 former wheat silos, this complex was converted at a cost of $7.1 million. Newcastle, our second New South Wales facility, is a Claudius Peters multi-cell silo. Costing $15.8 million, it provides a storage capacity of 27,000 tonnes. Its unique multi-cell design provides storage for a number of cementitious products. A custom-built blender was installed to produce special application products. This one-person operation is well located for easy access to markets in the Newcastle-Hunter Valley region and the northern New South Wales coast. The recent capital expenditure program totalled $181 million. Australian Cement is now well placed with the Eastern Seaboard terminal network that has been established. The expanded Goliath plant has produced at 3,000 tonnes per day and over at a reduced cost. This new capacity can be economically transported on the MV Goliath and be fully utilised to meet the needs of our customers.